Maryland reports an additional 2,600 positive cases of the coronavirus and 38 more people have died overnight. It is the largest single-day death toll since June. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Nicole Baker. Hospitalizations are also on the rise. Doctors admitting 65 more patients in the past day.
Tonight, there are new efforts to get people to follow state orders to prevent the spread. That includes the alert many of us just got on our phones about an hour ago and a ramped-up state police presence. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live in Fells Point with the enforcement crackdown. Mike.
Vic and Nicole, there's a lot of information on that phone alert that many of us got, including that bars and restaurants have to close by 10 p.m. tonight and every night. There aren't a whole lot of people down here right now. However, there will be an increased state police presence here and in many other parts of Maryland starting tonight through the holidays. Roughly 100 state troopers will patrol in uniform across Maryland, targeting COVID-related violations and working with local police departments, mostly in areas with a high concentration of bars and restaurants. But they're not nitpicking people for every little violation. Sergeant Travis Nelson tells WJZ they're looking for the big stuff.
These holiday parties that traditionally occur with several hundred people, we are getting information that different facilities are being rented for these parties with little concern for public health.
At 5 o'clock, an alert went out across the state telling people about the enforcement and the regulations.
Quite honestly, the whole virus is really not under control. And as much as the governor is trying very hard, I think it's really up to us to try to put it back under control.
Sergeant Nelson says they'll work with businesses if they're found in violation, but cautions there could be jail time for those who repeatedly fail to listen to the warnings.
It is not about heavy-handed enforcement here. It's really about education and keeping everybody safe.
Despite the surge in cases, a new UMMS survey found 44% of Marylanders are not changing or canceling their Thanksgiving plans due to COVID-19. And 70% of people in the greater Baltimore area will take the vaccine when it becomes available.
This virus is unfortunately not going away. It doesn't know any different between Thanksgiving and yesterday.
And a reminder, as far as those rule breakers, those violations in the state could carry a $5,000 fine. And a few more notes on that survey. Those who live on the Eastern Shore and in southern Maryland are less likely to feel comfortable taking the vaccine and less likely to change their Thanksgiving plans. Reporting live in Fells Point, Mike Helgren, WJZ.